In this video, let's look at how to use Immersive Reader with our students. So as you can see, I have the teacher board on this side and I have the student board on the other side. So the teacher can disable Immersive Reader if there is a time where you need them to not have that feature. To do this, you just click on Settings up here at the top and you would scroll down and you can turn this off to disable that. Alright, so as you can see on my board, I have written a sentence, and so if the student is over here and they need additional supports, like they need it read to them, they need it translated, there's lots of different things that they can do. So if they double click on this sentence or a word, they can get this Read in Immersive Reader. So they're going to click and open this up. And they have the ability down here at the bottom to just click play.
The dog ran down the hill.
And it will read the sentence to them. They can adjust the voice settings. It's in a female. They can change it to male. They can adjust the speed. There's also some things up here that they can do. Let's say that they need an overlay. They can click on this and they can add an overlay to their page. They can also, maybe they need to see where the nouns are. They can highlight that. The other thing that they can do is they can translate it. Maybe they want to see or hear this in Spanish. And so they can hit Document, and you can see here that it has translated that document to them.
El perro corrió por la colina.
And then it will also now read it to them in Spanish. So lots of things that the students can do with Immersive Reader that can help our dyslexic students, our SPED students, 504, our youngest learners that are struggling with their reading, or even our older students that may be struggling and need that additional support in the classroom.